Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Volvo XC40 Inscription Pro. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 161 brake horsepower and returning up to 38 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 23 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 21,000 miles and comes with full service history. The black paintwork on this car looks in great condition for age and mileage. Having a look inside, you've also got the nice clean interior, and being the Inscription Pro, you get a very high level of features. So the seats are heated on the front, electric also, and leather all round. There's a big armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre, a bit like an iPad, for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers. You've also got the map there in the centre of the display. And then on the driver's door card, your function buttons there for the memory for the front seats, and also your folding mirror and full window controls. The first owner of the car also chose the £1,000 factory option of the sunroof, so that's really nice. Being an SUV, the SUV is ideal for a family. So lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents in the centre, as well as a 12-volt socket. And it's good to see the car's got the original Volvo floor mats as well. Opening the tailgate, which is electric, reveals a really good sized boot there. It goes back a long way with the rear seats that can be folded flat, and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage there. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.